YouTube, what's going on? I'm out here in the yard. It's not bad today. It's about 53 degrees, 16th of January, 2023. And I had a thought when I was in the house of removing this pad. This was, I guess, the previous owners had a basketball court here, and there's an old raggedy basketball court. I was going to resurface this and just keep it, just come out here, exercise for my son so he can exercise, but I'm thinking about converting it to a garden, have someone pull it up, haul it away, put some 50-50 compost and some soil down, and turn this actual space into in garden or in ground planting, because I was thinking about planting out over here right beyond this trellis that I built and back. Then over here where the wood is was going to be a greenhouse, and I think what I was going to do was move my leaf mulch pile. I collect leaves, and I also put grass clippings in there, trying to, I guess, create some soil. Thinking about scooting that over into the shaded part and put a greenhouse here. I do have a greenhouse kit. It's 10 by 12, I believe. And I'm thinking about putting it over there. But then a thought occurred, purchase a greenhouse, another kit, something a little bit more durable, and put that on the property. Maybe over here on that side of the property. I believe what you want to do is you want to find the sunniest part of the yard in the winter, so that way there's always going to be sun. And right now it looks like here's the sunny part, and over there on the other side where the fence is, that's the sunny part. The greenhouse that I'm thinking about purchasing is 10 by 19.5, which is not bad at all. But the sunnier part of the yard during the summer is actually this area right here and across the fence. That gets the most sunlight during the day. And right now I just have a whole bunch of containers just all over the place. So it's just a thought of tearing this up, fencing it in so the groundhog won't get to it. Also, I will have to lay down wire mesh on the ground because I do have groundhogs. I do have moles, and I don't want those in the yard or in the garden. So this area looks to be at least 40 feet, the concrete slab, by 30 feet maybe. Not sure, but there's actually a lot of real estate that I can use. Fence it in, maybe possibly even electrify fence. And let me back up. I can move those garden beds from there. The area is not that sunny, but it does the trick. But I need more sun. And I can get a couple of garden beds in here, and possibly even 1 or 2 in-ground trees on this side over here, so it won't block none of the vegetables or fruit or whatever I decide to grow here. But yeah, so there you have it. A fence all the way around, a door, maybe I'll put the door here, try to make it squirrel proof. Definitely is going to be groundhog proof, and not gopher. I also have rabbits on the property, and I have moles. So those are the things I have to protect all of goodies with. So it's an idea. It's an idea. I just need to figure out who can haul this stuff away, break it up, haul it away, and then like I said, get some 50/50, put it down in here, get some ground cloth, wood chips possibly, make some paths. Wow, I can get a lot of garden beds in here, raised garden beds. And I don't have to worry about putting stuff out here in the yard, over there on that side. I can concentrate everything, all my attention to one area, which would be a lot easier on me. Not running around all over the place, all over the property, watering this, watering that. So that's the idea. Follow me on my journey and see what we can do. Thanks for watching.